It's a very fine day. It's a Friday. It's 10/19 of 2012. It's 1:14 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We talked about this S&P before, and I'm going to make it clear to my MMTs is that within price volatility, that when we had the correction here, this was our support. We came up, we filled in this top. We came back down and we filled in right here at the 50-day moving average, and we went up 4 days of this week, but it gave all of this one Friday right here. It took out that upside volatility back to a resistance level, and then you've taken out this move, and this move all in one big bar. One thing I will tell my MMT is 1402 down here. We talked about that 50-day simple moving average, and we've talked about it for a long time within the bull run. And basically, when we come down here, we haven't undercut it yet. We're below the 10 and the 20. Yes, we are. Yes, we have said 1425 was a major support, and it bounced. And just like here, bounces right up off of the first correction, comes down, bounces. This is normal. And then how do you confirm it? This goes lower. Now, I will tell everyone again that if we break lower on Monday, come Monday morning, it's going to be 1416. Again, it's going to be that half bar. But ultimately, right down here at that 14 handle level. And there are some support levels all the way down here. Now, 1410 will be a key area. If we break below that 50-day simple moving average, and let me show you, is that we would look at how other names that break 50-day moving averages continue their sell down. And we will see what the lower end of this support level, which would create where that volatility reversal is what we call a short-term daily double bottom. No doubt about it. With this bar over here, this daily bar being your support levels coming down through the bar here. And we'll be using our MMT platform, which is mathematically coded. This is just a standard chart. I'm just letting everyone know that we were down 24 handles on the S&P, and we are at that 50-day simple moving average. Beware on Monday. If we sell down below it, this is the kind of correction that a bull run should have going into an election period. But just let me tell you something else, MMT, that if we break this thing, it would be ideally for this S&P to correct down here to make a good rally for the fall, and that's 1375. That 200-day moving average, and the 100-day moving average is right here, and the 100-day simple moving average on the S&P is going to be 1390. Of course, these numbers will change. Okay, so MMT, this is the shorter term level of support that we have, and it's got a long-term bull trend. Don't get me wrong, right from here. Check it out, though. It's about ready to bust that. This whole area. This is where that reversal doji was. And we're right there, and we're sitting on the 50, and we're sitting on that. Let me blow this up for you. MMT. And I can tell you, market maker, that if we go into the daily sell signal here, MMT, we will break down MMT, and we'll break this long-term diagonal trend line, MMT. That's where that comes from. And we can see that that long-term diagonal trend line is sitting right there, MMT. So come Monday morning, it's a percent level below the 50-day simple moving average to that double bottom support. And if we sell down, it's going to be half bar daily support levels in here. And there will be trading range, the trading range of the S&P 500. This is what bull rally should do.